Hello everyone, this is my project demonstration video for edX course CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript, and this is my project 3 pizza. It is an online pizza shop. For using this application, we have to install the requirements and check the settings file for any changes. To run the server, we have to use the run server command. So for using this application, the user has to sign up for an account. Once the new account is created, account information is displayed. Once the user has an account, it can be used to log in to this website. Once logged in, the user can choose any item from the menu and click on the buttons to add it to their cart. For the demonstration purpose, I am going to add some items to the cart. The cart can be viewed from the cart button. Here, before making any orders, the user can get the price quote by clicking on the get price button. If the user wants to remove anything from the cart, he just have to click on its name. Once the user is satisfied, the user can place the order. Once the order is placed, the order ID and the order content and order price are displayed to the user. The user can then check his previous orders. Currently, this order is pending. So any user who has staff privileges can use this site to confirm that orders and complete them. When a staff user logs in to the website, the shop's interface is displayed. Here all the recent order IDs are displayed. The shop worker can click on this ID and view the order. Once completed, the employee can use the complete order button to declare the order as completed. After every 60 seconds, this window is refreshed to view newer order IDs. Once the order is completed, it can be viewed from the previous orders list. The user can clear the cart by clicking on the clear cart button. Once the user has finished using this site, he can log out from this site using the logout button. This site is also compatible with mobile devices. It works fine on all the small devices. So that's all for my project 3. Thank you.